Hello friends, this is Akina and welcome to my channel Designer Planet. Guys, today I am talking about some kind of single seater swing. In this video I will share with you brand, material and price. So guys, before going to start, please subscribe my channel if you are new and please follow me on Instagram for latest deals and updates. Okay guys, without a further ado, let's get started. This swing is ideally designed for a single person and it has a maximum load capacity of 120 kg. And also is a great option if you wish to install in a balcony and living room and terrace. This bubble chair swing is one of the most popular swings. If you don't have much space and wish to install a swing for one person, then this one is a good option for you. And this swing does not need ceiling installation. Assembling this swing is simple and it comes with a sitting pad and cushion. The cushion that it comes with are super comfortable and weatherproof too, and you can remove the outer cover of the swing and wash it. Now we talk about its material. Its material is a rattan and wicker. Rattan is some kind of a cane, and actually cane is a thinner material, and this material is a premium quality which is weather resistant and durable. There are many color available like green, white, black and brown. Green is suitable for your garden, whereas brown is suitable for your balcony and living room. It has a compact size and it can be installed anywhere. It does not require ceiling installation and it is a super simple to assemble and disassemble the swing. And maintenance is simple. The swing you only need to clean if you with a damp cloth. This swing is best for indoor use and balcony use. Now we talk about its brand. Brand is a Universal Furniture. And Universal Furniture is a well-known furniture brand, so you don't need to worry about its quality and material, guys. Some swing comes with a seat cushion and swing seat should be chosen according to your needs and the amount of space you have to fill. It is portable and relocate almost anywhere. Price of the swing is 10,000, 15,000 and some swings are in 2,000. Other detail and price may vary based on size and color and of course brand also. Please check the instruction manual that comes with the swing. There are some essential points that you need to keep in mind while buying the swing. There are many options available in the market. It might be confusing to pick one. That's why I made video on swing and share with you each and every detail. If you are planning to buy this kind of a swing, please read carefully all the details and specification. And for more detail you can visit my blog and website. My website is designerplanet.in and my blog is www.designerplanet.blogspot.com. And if you have any queries you can ask me and you can mail me and you can DM me on Instagram. Link has been given in the description box so you can easily check price and other detail, guys. So guys, this was today's video. I hope you understand each and everything. So see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.